अगर आप फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम चाहते हैं, अगर आप वेल्थ क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं, तो यू हैव कम टू द राइट प्लेस। आप सही जगह पे आए। वेलकम टू फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम विद प्लैनेट वेल्थ यूट्यूब चैनल एंड पॉडकास्ट चैनल। आज के इस एपिसोड में हम बात करने वाले कल्याण ज्वेलर्स का जो आईपीओ आज शुरू हुआ है, वो आईपीओ की एनालिसिस करके वेदर यू शुड सब्सक्राइब टू इट और नॉट, इसके बारे में हम आज बात करने वाले हैं। आई एम ब्रिजेश परिक, फादर ऑफ टू लवली किड्स, husband to a loving woman. I'm an entrepreneur now turned into a wealth coach, and I'm on a mission to help 1 lakh families like yours to live a financially worry-free life and achieve financial freedom during their life. तो मेरे इस मिशन के तहत आज ये जो वीडियो मैं रिलीज करने जा रहा हूँ ऑन दी कल्याण ज्वेलर्स। चलिए देखते हैं कि कल्याण ज्वेलर्स आईपीओ इन्वेस्टर कम्युनिटी के लिए, आपके लिए क्या लेके आ रहा है। तो बेसिकली बिजनेस के बारे में बात करें तो कल्याण ज्वेलर्स was established in the year 1992 as a proprietary firm, and since then it has grown fairly quickly to become one of India's largest pan-India branded jewelry companies with a 5.9% market share of organized jewelry markets in India. In the financial year 20, 78% of Kalyan's revenues originated from India and 22% from Middle East markets. In a business beset by governance issue, Kalyan was a rare family-owned jeweler to draw private equity investments from Heidel, a Warburg Pincus Associates since 2014. Starting out with a single outlet in Kerala, Kalyan has managed to spread its wing pan-India, achieving greater success at geographical diversification than other North Indian or East Indian jewelry players like TBZ and PC Jewelers, who have attempted this in the past. In financial year 20, operations outside South India brought it over 57% of the sales. We all know that Kalyan Jewelers has Ropin Amitabh Bachchan as their brand ambassador. In a market plagued by quality issues, Kalyan has established a reputation as a trusted family jeweler and pioneered good practices such as transparent billing, breaking down gold's price, stone's price, and making charges in each of the bills, and selling only BIS hallmark jewelry. Like other branded jewelries, Kalyan too is in the midst of an attempt to improve its profit margin by changing its product mix in favor of diamond and stone studded jewelries rather than just plain gold jewelries. Studded jewelry allows retailers to demand a premium for design and craftsmanship as opposed to traditional practice of cost plus pricing in wake of plain gold jewelry. It has had reasonable success at this. In a financial year 20, 75% of the revenues were from plain gold jewelries, 23% from studded jewelries, and 2% from other jewelries. This is comparable to Titan's studded jewelry share of around 26%. So you can see that Titan, which is a long-standing player in the market, is having 26% from studded jewelries, whereas the Kalyan is having 23% from the studded jewelries. Kalyan relies mainly on local contract manufacturing to keep its outlets supplied and sources from local manufacturers and artisans to cost plus contracts. This gives the company control over its raw material costs, supply chain, and product quality, while allowing it to cater to localized taste in design and grammages. Competitors such as Titan have run failed experiments with standardizing their showroom formats and design across India, later waking up to the highly localized consumer preferences, especially in wedding jewelry. Kalyan, with its hyper-local strategy, seems to have caught on this trend early and reaped benefits. Kalyan Jewellers relies mainly on company-operated large format retail stores over 4,000 square feet to drive its sales. It leases retail space. At the time of the offer, it had around 107 showrooms spread across 21 Indian states, 30 showrooms in Middle East, and 766 My Kalyan service centers designed to extend customer outreach and drive traffic to the Kalyan's main showrooms. This compares to the Titan's 351 retail showrooms across 214 towns. It also owns online platform Candery.com, but this makes a negligible contributions to the revenue. So this is the Kalyana business. Now let's look at the offer. The company is entering the capital market with its IPO of equity shares of the face value of rupees 10 each. The public issue comprises a fresh issue of equity shares worth rupees 800 crore and an offer for sale of rupees 375 crores. The price band of the issue has been fixed at rupees 86 at the lower end and rupees 87 at the higher end. The IPO opens on March 16, which is yesterday. While it closes on the March 18, which is tomorrow, the issue may list on March 26, 2021. It is being listed on NSE and BSE both. The IPO market the IPO market lot size is 172 shares. A retail individual can apply for up to 13 lots. Half of the issue is reserved for qualified institutional buyers and 35% for retail investors and 15% for non-institutional bidders. The objective of the offer is to finance businesses' working capital requirements and also meet general corporate purposes. The pluses and minuses of Kalyan Jewellers IPO are positives. It is seeing the demand growth and the market is moving from unorganized to organized player. One of the India's largest jewelry companies. It's a trusted jewelry brand, as we discussed. They could rope in Amitabh Bachchan as their brand ambassador. It has a strong network of distribution with global outreach, wide range of jewelry products offerings, and experienced promoters and managers. These are the pluses of the issue. Minus is it has a low margins. It has even regional concentration risk, and it has a higher debt on its books. These are the minuses. So you need to consider while investing into this company the minuses as well. Let's understand the key financial matrices as compared to other industry players. You can see that return on capital employed, which is an important criteria. You can see that Kalyan Jewellers is having 10.5%, Titan is enjoying best of in industry best, followed by the Angmail Jewelries, right? And the PC Jewellers and Tribhuvan Bhimji Jewellers are not enjoying that much good ROC, right? So the above comparison suggests that while the price earning ratio demanded by Kalyan Jewellers at the upper end of the price band is around rupees 87, is steep at 630 times, diluted financial year 20 earnings. The valuation sought is well below Titan's. So Titan के जो valuation है जो P times है उससे बहुत ही कम है because Titan is enjoying 87.5%. But let's not forget that Titan is not only a jeweler, Titan is a diversified company also offering the jewelry brand. So on a market cap to revenue basis, the asking price is a deep discount to Titan and only a marginal premium which appears deserved to other listed players. So if you subscribe to this IPO at this elevated price to earning ratio, you would need to keep your finger crossed that Kalyan manages to break out from his rate of growth while sidestepping regional risk and other adverse events that seems to be often crop up to dent its profit performance. So what we recommend is you need to invest this company from क्विक प्रॉफिट्स आपको अगर जब आपको लग जाता है तो आप लिस्टिंग गेन के लिए इसमें इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं और अगर आपको ज्वेलरी बिजनेस में आपकी एक्सपोजर नहीं है तो आई वुड रादर रेकमेंड टू बाय टाइटन ऑन जहाँ पे जब करेक्शन होता है तो आप टाइटन परचेस कीजिए बट स्टिल अगर आपको आईपीओ में ट्राई करना है तो यू कैन गो फॉर आईपीओ. So if you wish to focus on keeping and growing your money, you and receive this kind of valuable inputs, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to receive update notification. You can also read my blogs at theplanetworld.in. There are videos available on the same blogs. You can also view videos available at the decent, nice third-party financial literacy website, moneycraft.com. You can like my page, Planet Wealth. You can also join me on Facebook on my group, Financial Wellbeing Group. And best way to connect to me is to store my WhatsApp number 9328190022 and send a message to me. Add me करके अपना नाम लिख के मुझे एक मैसेज भेज दीजिए. So I'll be adding you into my financial literacy broadcast group which I normally run, and I keep on posting this kind of various investment educational content, and you will be getting notifications through this WhatsApp broadcast group. आई होप ये कल्याण ज्वेलर्स की जो छोटी सी एनालिसिस वीडियो मैंने आपके लिए शेयर की है वो आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट डिसीजन को मोर इफेक्टिव बनाने में हेल्प करेगी. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. May God shower abundant wealth to you and may you achieve financial freedom in your life. Thank you. See you in the next video.